An e-commerce site may rank high in search engines and get a high flow of traffic but have low conversion rates when it comes to online sales. Increasing online sales being the primary goal of every online business, knowing the simple tricks for increasing website sales is imperative. Here are 4 effective techniques that you can use to increase your website sales. 1. Improve your website navigation. In order to encourage users to purchase from your website, it should be well laid out, clear and clean. If visitors find the website cumbersome and difficult to find what they want, they will go and look for it somewhere else. Keep everything consistent, professional and simple. Correct all spelling errors, for example, and keep things as intuitive as possible. You should use obvious sections for your form and keep reminding the visitors where they are on the site. Also, minimize the number of clicks from the landing page to the checkout, which means the purchasing process should be as quick as possible. Do not force the buyers to open an account before buying, and if they have to, include only the necessary information. 2. Build trust with the website visitors. Online businesses do not have face-to-face contact with the clients, which makes it difficult to build trust. However, there are other ways to convey that you are trustworthy, such as including trade body and association membership. Also, try to get as many accreditations as possible. You can also join a community group and include case studies and endorsement testimonials from previous customers on the website. Personalize your website as much as possible and include real people. Since there is no face-to-face contact, human element on the website will help build trust. 3. Be transparent. Openness and honesty is very important for any online business. Always be clear on all prices and delivery charges and include any other details that may be helpful to a buyer. A FAQs section is a good way to answer all customers' questions. Be sure to also display your contact information and be easy to get hold of. 4. Think about the target market. You should remember who you're selling your product to. If it is the older group, you only have to make them feel safe, but the younger market is web savvy and it will take much more to convince them to order your products. Make a point to analyze your website as well as your competitors, run user surveys, ask feedback from the customers and keep contact with them with helpful information, not spam. Your aim is to create a process that enable you to find out the likes and dislikes of your customers.